I've heard many downsides of sideloading from other people, but in my current experience, I even updated the iOS version, restarted the phone a number of times, and nothing happened. That's crazy. You can see how many gems and coins I have on Shadowfight 2, and this game is sideloaded. That's right, I'm going to show you guys an awesome method to get this to work. Make sure you connect your MacBook and your iPhone to the same Wi-Fi network, and then go to Sideloadly website. It's in the description of this YouTube video, and download the one for your Mac. Yeah, this is for Mac. If you use Windows, you can install iTunes from the web, not Microsoft Store, the web. But since you're using the Mac, download the Mac's version of Sideloadly, and after doing that, go over to your files and launch the app, drag it to apps folder, and try launching it from the launchpad. Alright, once we stop one, but we can deal with this in privacy and security settings and allow it with our Touch ID. So now the app is launching, and you can see if your iPhone is connected with the same Wi-Fi network and same Apple ID, it will show your iPhone over Wi-Fi. That's the point. This is wireless, so very neat, no cable needed. I'm bringing my iPhone up here with iPhone mirroring just to show you guys how the app is going to appear as soon as we are done sideloading it. So first of all, you'd want to put in your Apple ID in that space for Apple ID, and also select your IPA file, and then you click start. Yeah, let's give it a moment. I actually fast forwarded this part because it took way longer than I thought. Almost there. Still getting there. Alright, you can see it has appeared in our app library. That shows everything works, but don't yet launch it. We need to enable developer mode in iPhone settings, iOS. Using Sideloadly automatically brings up that option, so that's good for us. Let's go find privacy and security. Scroll to the bottom, you'd find developer mode there. You can see I've turned mine on, so make sure you turn it on. It's to restart your phone, just follow along till it turns on. After doing that, go over to General, VPN and Device Management and locate that developer profile. Then make sure you click on Verify. You're going to need a good network to do that. I did that for Shadowfight already, but this was Subway suffers. So now I've verified it. As you can see, I had to even switch to 5G to get it to work. Alright, so now we have to launch the app, and let me show you guys just how sideloaded and cracked it is. Alright, Subway suffers. You can see it works exactly. I had to authenticate, but the point is that it works. Yeah, and we are testing the app. The gameplay is quite alright, and look at it, even has its own cheat menu. I enabled unlimited everything, and whoa, that's a lot of coins and keys. But the point is that the sideloaded cracked game works, so thanks to the EU for this. We didn't have this a little while behind. Sideloadly worked, and after I updated my phone from 18.4.1 to 18.5 release candidates, it kept on working. That shows it's not the kind of sideloading that needs you to authenticate from time to time. It has been working and it's still working. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you guys. I had it out.